Hey guys, welcome back to JG Whips. Well, when we last spoke, we were in the garage and we were talking about the BMW 328i, the E93, and I was mentioning to you a few things that needed to be taken care of. We were going to go to my mechanic, we were going to take care of the leaking oil filter housing gasket, as well as the front control arms, which were in bad shape and needed to be replaced. We got the oil changed as well, so that was the plan. Bring the car in, drop it off, have those things taken care of, and then go pick up the car. So, drop the car off, and unfortunately, that was not all that was wrong. So I knew I was going in, and the estimate was about, $1,500 or so that I would need to spend to get the car back. But unfortunately, I got sent this picture. So what that was a picture of is a coolant hose, and that coolant hose was not leaking yet, but on the verge of breaking down. Had that sprung a leak and I lost coolant, I would have been broke down on the side of the road. So that was something that needed to be taken care of. But that's not where the story ends. Unfortunately, there was even a more costly problem, and that was the belt tensioner. The belt tensioner was, I guess, not in great shape or sagging or what have you. And, the belts had the potential of slipping off the pulley. And, if something like that happens, it's possible the belt gets sucked into the engine, throws timing, and catastrophic engine failure. So when I got the call to tell me about these problems, there was an ultimatum. Basically, it's you spend a couple $100 to fix the belt tensioner or risk catastrophic engine failure. Really not a great choice. So that needed to be repaired as well. So when I went in thinking the car was going to cost me $1,500 in repairs, it wound up costing me about $2,400. And what I'll do is I'll put the estimate here, and I did do all the jobs that were recommended on the estimate. So to get my 14-year-old BMW back, I'm out another $2,400. And that's just something, again, what we're here to talk about. Use BMW Ownership Journey. Do you have the stomach for it? We'll see how much longer I'm going to hold on to the car. A few more repairs bills like this, I may just get beaten into submission and wind up trading it in for another vehicle. But hopefully with the things that I did today, it will continue to run strong going forward. And, we'll just have to see. Only time can tell. So again, that's why I have the I'm broke t-shirt on. Meant to be a joke, but starting to become a reality. And, use BMW life. That's what it's all about, guys. So with that, I'm going to let you go. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And it was good to see you again. Cheers.